In other words, forgetting what you're busy with. Forgetting about us. Stealth was good, alertness was pretty smart. Can be a little bit on anticipation of dangerous situations, a little bit more alert in terms of going through thick stuff and dense stuff and so on. Be aware of that. Spoor anticipation was relatively good, and it's something to get into. It's something to get into, especially if you've been in a mode where you look at footprints for a lot. It's going to take time. Your spoor recognition was a little bit sharper than that. You saw more footprints, you saw more sign, you picked it up a bit quicker, you realized quicker when you were not on it. There was the odd place where you got stuck, but you moved pretty okay on that. And you also got to 81 there, which is well done for first run. Well done.
Thank you.
There you go.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, well done.
Thank you, Doc, very much.
Pleasure.